It's Chad Crenshaw with Love That Door, here to answer more of those frequently asked questions. What does aluminum cost and compare to other materials and products? So the upfront cost with aluminum is going to be a little bit more than vinyl, but it is going to be less than fiberglass and it is going to be less than wood. The main difference you have to worry about when purchasing a window or a door is what is the warranty and is the company going to back the warranty. We do not charge for custom sizes, we do not charge for custom colors or custom shapes. We have a flat rate per square foot, so you can get any size window you want at a flat rate, and you don't have to worry if we're going to change the price because it's an arch, an eyebrow, an elliptical, or even a cathedral. We have fixed rates and fixed prices. We also do our own installation, so you do not have to worry about finding a contractor to install our product, as we will cover that ourselves.